6, Bautista, Yoni Hernandez and Nicky Hayden making his last Grand Prix appearance in Malaysia.
Row 7, Loris Baz, Tony Elias and Eugene Lafferty. Row 8, Mike DeMeglio, Ant West and Damien Cudlin. And row 9, all on his own, the naughty boy, Hector Barbara.
Hector Barbara, if you are just joining us, penalised for an incident this morning with Pol Espargaro. He was 10th on the grid. He starts now from the back of the grid.
The moment of truth is getting closer. Will we have a new 2015?
He's after the Jatuh as well. There's fire. All the back to the captain. I couldn't believe it. He's trying to get that bike. Nowhere that since the air is rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there. I just wonder if we might see a red flag. Marquez now straight into Brooklyn from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli connected into Quattararo's. Tarmac run off quite a few times there.
At the sharp end of this one then as they now head around.
Since the air is rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
give a Fabio Quattararo a shot at Jatuh. Marquez now has
Brooklyn's from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli. They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to see the air. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez now has
family back straight into Brooklyn's from Rossi and Ring.
Will we have a new 2015?
Quattararo's down! He's at Dovizioso as well!
There's unbelievable!
All the factory Ducatis clattered in.
Believe it! They're trying to get that bike into Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to Irene, the back through.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't get a
Fabio. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez now has
family back straight into Brooklyn's from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli. Believe it! They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
give a Fabio Quattararo a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez.
I just wonder if we might see a red flag here if they can't
give a Fabio Quattararo a shocker for Andrea Dovizioso.
They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a red.
Happy Cyrene, the battered bruise.
Brilliant start from Marquez from pole.
Quattararo's down! He's at Dovizioso as well! There's
unbelievable!
Fire from the Ducati. The high side. Down he went. All the factory Ducatis clattered in.
Believe it! They're trying to get that bike out. They're looking to Dovizioso now. I hope he's okay because he looked hurt.
Nowhere to push into the air. He's rolled through the tarmac run off quite a few times there.
I just wonder if we might see a
shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez now has
family back straight into Brooklyn's from Rossi and Rings with Vinales then following Morbidelli.
Battered into Quattararo's Yamaha. He's on the stretcher. A shocker for Andrea Dovizioso. Marquez now has